Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you'll know when I upload a new video. This video is a celebration of me reaching the fantastic number of 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I did mention in a previous video that there would be a very special video coming up to kind of commemorate that milestone of 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited to get here. I never thought I would. When I first started my channel a few years ago, I was just happy to have a few subscribers. I just do this as a hobby. YouTube is very much a little hobby for me, just to be able to get on here and have a chat to like-minded people about these luxury bags and accessories that we love, and that so many other people in the outside world have no idea you know, why we like them and why we spend so much money on them. And it was just to be able to chat to people, show you things that I bought, talk about my reasons for buying things, reasons not for buying things, and engage with people in the comments to see what they thought, and just, as I say, to talk to like-minded people. It's been such an amazing, I hate the word journey, but it's been so amazing to, as I say, engage with subscribers here on YouTube, and also to meet some of the fabulous YouTubers, some of the other people that also do this. You know, I've had the opportunity to meet them. So yeah, it's been a really fantastic few years doing this. I'm so grateful to every one of you who has taken the trouble to hit that subscribe button. Some of you, as I said in my other video, have been with me right from the very start, and you've stuck with me, and I'm so pleased that you're still here. And I've got so many new subscribers in the last few months, so a massive welcome to you. Yeah, it's just so great to have you all here, and thank you so much to everyone who takes the time to comment on my videos, you know, to say something. And I do try to reply to all the comments if I can. I know sometimes I might take a few days or a week, couple of weeks to do it, but I do try to reply to every comment, because I'm so grateful for that engagement. I'm really grateful, as I said in that previous video again, to all the other YouTubers who have promoted me on their channels, who have tagged me, have mentioned me, and quite a few of my subscribers have found me through them and have come to me as well. So that's fantastic. Thank you everyone for that. You all know who you are. Thank you so much for that support and promoting me. So I thought for this 1,000 subscriber video I would do a reveal stroke unboxing. I have not bought myself a new bag, especially for my 1,000 subscribers. You know that I recently bought my lovely sequin baguette. I thought about leaving that to kind of mark the 1,000 mark, but I couldn't wait. I was still a little way off when I got that, and I just thought, I can't wait. I want to show you my sequin baguette. And obviously I wanted to tell you the story, everything that was going on with that. Because I have just bought that, I'm not really in a position to go and buy another bag. I don't want to buy another bag at the moment. There's nothing that I'm really wanting to buy at the minute, bag wise, so I don't want to go and buy another bag just for the sake of marking 1,000 subscribers. But I do have a bag here that I actually bought last year, and I have not shown it to you. I've never revealed it to you, and I haven't actually used it yet. And there is a little story behind it, so I'm going to reveal this to you now. And it does have an accessory that goes with it, and I'm going to talk to you, tell you the little story. So it is a Fendi bag, and you might be able to tell from the small box what type of Fendi bag it is, but let's get it out. Here we go. So here it is, still in its packaging, and here is the bag in its dust bag. Very familiar sight of me on my channel unboxing a Fendi bag in this type of dust bag. Now here we go, this is the bag, and there we go. This is the Fendi mini baguette in the denim, and this is from the Astrology Collection that came out round about May or June of 2023. So you may remember the Astrology Collection. There were some amazing ready-to-wear in that collection, really beautiful pieces, and there were a couple of bags in particular. There were lots of there were Fendi furs and baguettes that had lots of lovely embroidery and things on them, but there were a couple of bags in particular that I was looking at, and one of them was this bag and one of them was the sort of the cream straw bag that came in the mini baguette size and the regular baguette size. Now, I'd been after a canvas baguette. At this point, I didn't have my Napa leather mini baguette. I had my larger Napa leather baguette in the blue, and I was thinking that I wanted my next purchase to be a canvas mini baguette, and I was looking at the Zucker print one, the standard Zucker print one, but then I suddenly saw this come out and it stole my heart. It has silver hardware, and I've still got the sticker on there. Meredith will be screaming at me at the screen because I haven't taken the sticker off yet. It's got silver hardware, as you can see. If I can get that in focus, there you go. And you know, I love silver hardware, and you know, a lot of the baguettes all have gold hardware, so I was very excited to see one in silver, and I did see this bag and I thought, if I'm going to get a canvas baguette, I think that's going to be the one. I really like the look of this baguette. Now if I open it, it obviously still has got the tissue in it, but there is the detachable handle, obviously, that's got the silver chain and the tan leather at the top, so all the normal parts to a mini baguette. Now I saw this and I spoke to my sales associate and I said, could I buy this? And she said, we've sold out. And I was like, oh no. I was quite upset, but she said, we'll try and see if we can find you one. We spoke to Fendi customer services. They managed to locate one in Selfridges, and it was transferred from Selfridges to my sales associate Valentina in Harrods, and she sent it to me. And a few days after I actually purchased this, my sales associate contacted me and said, oh, we're having an event in store at the weekend, would you like to come? It's to mark the Astrology Collection, and we're going to be doing birth charts. So I went along and I had my birth chart done, and it's in here. So just see if I can show it to the camera. There's some things from my birth chart. So that was a really exciting day, going up to Harrods, meeting a few other people from Fendi and having my birth chart done. But yes, so I obviously purchased this baguette. They transferred it for me and it was delivered to me. Why haven't I used it yet? Why haven't I unboxed it? Well, first of all, I was really busy when it arrived and I just didn't have time to film an unboxing video. But I also had a little bit of a panic attack when it arrived because I thought I'd made a terrible mistake. Now, the reason is it's because it's canvas. It's obviously, you know, a fabric, and I thought, oh my goodness, supposing I get it dirty, supposing I stain it, supposing I do this, because I haven't got any fabric bags. This is my first fabric bag. I've got canvas bags, I've got leather bags. This is my first fabric bag, other than my sort of Saint Laurent Rive gauche tote bags, which are obviously much bigger, and one of them's black anyway. So I just had a bit of a panic attack that maybe I'd made a mistake and that this bag was going to need too much baby in and was too delicate. I messaged Dale from Dale's Addiction because she has so many of these types of bags that, you know, are not practical. You know, she's done a whole video on her non-practical bags, and I said to her, you know, talk some sense into me, Dale. I've just bought this amazing, beautiful bag and I'm now absolutely panicking about using it and wearing it. And Dale, being Dale, she did talk some sense into me, and she came up with some great points about why I should just get over myself and just use this bag. And she was right, and I stopped panicking. But for some reason, even though she did talk some sense to me, I put it back in its dust bag, put it back in its box, and thought, yes, I will use it. I'm going to use it over the summer. But then time went by, and I think because I'd not done the unboxing on my channel, because I'd kind of left it in its box, the summer went by and I didn't get it out and use it. And every so often I would think about it and I'd think, oh, I really should use that baguette. And then just, you know, other things overtook me, and suddenly we were in winter. And then I was actually on my way to the 1,000 subscribers, and I thought to myself, why don't I leave this in its box until I do reach that 1,000 subscribers, and why don't I reveal it on my channel as my 1,000 subscriber bag? Although I didn't buy it at the time I hit 1,000 subscribers, I can say it was the bag I revealed, and it's the bag I'm talking about to mark that 1,000 subscriber event. I don't know if that makes sense to everybody out there. It kind of made sense in my head to do that. And I thought that going forward, every time I do use this bag, then I will always kind of associate it with that milestone. So yes, I do now have every intention of using this bag. I've been looking at it recently and thinking, yeah, I know different outfits I can style it with. Completely gotten over myself. I had a look in store in Louis Vuitton at the beginning of January when they released their denim collection, and I did like it more than I thought I was going to like it. But I thought to myself, right, I don't need to buy anything from that collection because I have my denim bag here, and I actually prefer this one. I love the colour of the denim and I love the tan. You know, even though the denim in the Louis Vuitton with the vachetta looks really cool, I just preferred this, and I thought this is, you know, this is the denim bag for me. I have my denim bag. I'm on trend with the denim, but I don't need the Louis Vuitton denim. So yeah, so that's my denim mini baguette. But there is something extra, because you may remember I said that I had one other thing I bought in December when I had my appointment with Fendi, and that is this up here. And I said to you, if I showed you this in my haul video, you might realise what it goes with, and it might give it away. So I bet you can guess what this is. What do I quite often buy when I buy a baguette, regular or mini? I buy the matching guitar strap, because I just have a thing for guitar straps. So you may have seen this on my footage I took from my Fendi appointment. This was sitting there on the counter when I was filming some of that. This is the matching guitar strap. So the denim on this guitar strap matches the denim in the background. So obviously you've got the dark denim embroidery on the FFs of this bag, and then you've got the lighter denim in the background. This matches the lighter denim. It's very, very soft. It's obviously got the tan leather to match the tan leather of the bag. So let's pop it on and I'll show you what it looks like. Obviously got the silver hardware as well. But I had no intention of getting this strap. I'd already seen... And there's Pebbles again. Hello, Pebbles. Every time lately I'm showing a mini baguette, you're mewing at me. Yes, you are, aren't you? So there's the strap on the bag. Matches it, goes with it really beautifully. I had no intention, as I say, of getting this strap. I'd seen it when I first bought this bag and thought about it and thought, no, I'm not going to get it. But then Valentina said to me, you know, when I saw her in December, how are you getting on with this? And I said, I do have a confession, I haven't worn it yet. And she said, we still have lots of people asking for this baguette. But if you remember, as I said, Harrods had sold out and they tracked this one down in Selfridges. This was the last one in the UK. So when I bought this, this was the last one in the UK. I got the last one, and luckily it was in brilliant condition. But she said, yeah, we still have people asking for this. And I said, yeah, I do have a confession. I haven't used it. I do love it and I want to use it, but I haven't used it yet. And she said, do you want to look at the strap for it? She said, here you go. And she got the strap out. And of course, as soon as I saw the strap, I was like, you know, I wasn't going to get this strap to go with it, but suddenly seeing it with the strap, I just, yeah. And I knew, again, that having it with this strap was going to make me even more likely to use it. I can absolutely see it as a beautiful summer bag for me, you know, with this guitar strap. I love the guitar straps. I just have a real thing about them. So yeah, so this is my bag, which I'm finally revealing and I'm going to finally start using. Don't worry, Meredith, I'm going to get that sticker off. And yeah, I'm going to... every time I wear this and use this in the future, I'm going to think about reaching the 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you like this bag. I hope I've made sense regarding why I had a little panic about it to begin with and why I did buy it and haven't used it yet. I don't buy luxury bags with the intention of not using them, and it has been bothering me that I've not used it yet. But you know, I have got over myself. I've got over my initial panic about it, and I honestly can't wait to start using it now. So let me know what you think. Thank you once again, everyone, for subscribing to me. You know, I'm just so overwhelmed by the fact that I've got, you know, more than 1,000 people out there now who have taken the time to subscribe. Thank you to all my YouTuber friends, as I say, and yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I really look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.